Well, here we are, South Gippsland, absolutely stunning weather. You wouldn't read about it, it's usually windy as and freezing cold. But look at that. That is going to be a sensational sunset. We've just left the farm. We've basically been working there all day, fixing fences, separating rams with the sheep to try to...
Separating the rams from the ewes.
Exactly. Separating the rams with the ewes, and because we have the butcher coming next week, so we're trying to get sorted before we head off on our trip. We have King Billy in the back. He's been working hard all day today.
That's his go-to.
He's been on the tools.
Hi there. His catchphrase.
He's done well actually, and then Harrison's in the back as well.
Hi.
And Harrison's doing a bit of lawn mowing today, weren't you, mate?
Yeah.
Sorting out.
I also helped Papa split the wood and
Cut wood.
Yeah.
Made the wood bags.
Yeah,
The hip campers.
Exactly. So we're fully booked out with the hip campers, and all the wood bags are full, the eggs are full, everything's really good. So we thought we'd take ourselves out for dinner tonight.
Yeah, somewhere different.
Where are we actually off to, sweetheart?
It's a place called Cavity. It's in Venus Bay. It's probably one of the only main restaurants in Venus Bay. So we booked nice and early, 6 o'clock. And Troy and I had been here probably about 4 years ago. So I reckon it's probably changed since then. So normally we go to the Tarwin Lower Pub. So we're going through Tarwin Lower. Venus Bay is about just around the corner from Tarwin Lower. So it's not very far from our farm.
Yeah, sorry for the camera jumping up and down. The roads down here aren't great, so it bumps around a bit. But the other thing we want to do is, like we said last week from our Kilcunda episode, is that we want to show you a few places in South Gippsland where you guys can come down and have a look around. We actually wanted to get out to Gurney's today, but we couldn't get there. We just work got in the way, didn't it?
The Rams weren't playing fair today.
They weren't, the bloody Rams. Yeah, I actually wish I got some footage of me trying to tackle some of these Rams, because I reckon I'm going to be sore tomorrow.
Anyway, so this weekend's going to be a little bit of whining and dining, because that's the only way to show you some of the most amazing places to eat and drink in this area. There's
so many places to actually stay as well. You can either stay down at Meenian at the donation camp down there?
Yeah, the recreation reserve.
Recreation reserve. You can stay there, or you can stay at our hip camp, or you can stay at Currumburra, or you can go down to Wilson's Promontory and stay there if you can get a spot.
Some hip campers that we had staying here the last couple of nights said that they tried to book at Wilson's Prom and at Yanaki and couldn't get in. So that's part of the reason why some people come and stay at our hip camp, and also because we allow dogs and we allow fires, which Wilson's Prom doesn't.
Anyway, we're off to dinner. We'll see how we go. It's on the menu. You looked at the menu?
Everything.
Yeah.
It's like a pub. It's not a pub, but it's like a pub meals.
Alright. We'll see you shortly. We'll show you the beautiful sunset. We'll kick it, rip it. Salami.
There's a lot of salami.
Oh, that's...
Just glowing in the sun, darling.
It's hot.
I made sure to put no chili on your pizza,
Yeah,
Phil.
thank you, Laura. I appreciate that.
Although it would have been pretty funny for the channel.
Yeah, of course it would have thrown me under the bus again.
Seafood
Thank you. Beautiful.
and the plate.
Thank you very much.
Plain Jane.
I've got my sunnies in the bag, it's alright.
It's good, Phil. What's on the seafood pizza?
Bit of everything. I can't remember. But there's no chili on there though.
It's a great pizza.
It is spicy. It's really good. And it is a bit spicy.
A little
Like
bit.
chorizo.
Yeah.
Hot salami. Yeah, it's got a kick.
And schnitzel.
Thank you. Thanks so much. Do I just go to the salad bar?
Yeah, you do.
So you got to go to the salad bar to get your salad fish schnitzel. Because we're back at Sizzler.
Why don't they just give it to you on the plate?
You got to serve yourself.
It's fair to say, probably the best pizza I've had in South Gippsland, 100%. And there's some good pizza places down here, but this here was amazing. So, you're happy with yours, Dad?
Beautiful.
Yeah, it was really good.
Laura had a schnitzel, but what we're going to do now...
Schnitzel was better than Kilcunda.
Oh, that's a big call. What we're going to do now is we're going to head down to the beach. We'll show you guys the local beach here at Venus Bay. And it's... Yeah, I probably wouldn't swim there, but
Let's go see, because it's not windy,
Let's
so
go.
we'll see if it's choppy.
let's do it. Okay, this is Venus Bay Surf Beach. A stunning spot for a sunset, but we're going to miss this one. We're going to get a good one at our farm. So we'll show this quickly. Don't let that surf fool you. It can be treacherous out there, but stunning spot. Really good spot to kick back. There's a lot of people here doing their thing, having their picnics, but we'll go back to the farm. We'll show you our sunset.
Really?
And the fluffies too.
Oh, don't start.
Well, Hugh Hefner's come to town.
Give you a bloody unit.
You got your fluffies on?
Ooh, pretty right, it's pretty warm. That's all right.
Heck.
Bad.
You can't get attached to them. It's almost like
Look how small their heads are compared to the white one.
the white one's got a couple of years on it. Good morning. It is absolutely stunning day today here in Buffalo, and we've decided to go to Fish Creek this morning, and we're going to have some breakfast at Long John Pickles. So perfect day for it. Laura's struggling with a fair bit of hay fever at the moment, aren't you, Dom?
Yeah, that's why I don't have. My sun is off.
Yeah, so it's,
shocking down here.
yeah, it can get bad, especially when they start carting hay and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, it's part and parcel of living in the country. So, like I said, stunning day. I've done a little bit of work at the farm this morning, and now we're off for breakfast. And then what are we going to do, Dom?
I don't know.
I wouldn't mind getting the bikes out, going on the rail trail.
Oh god.
Bit of exercise for the day.
I'll have to wear 2 sets of COVID masks. The mask and the shield, just to survive.
Anyway, we'll see you at breakfast, guys.
One of the places you can come and eat here in Fish Creek is the Fish Creek Hotel, which is just behind us. We've been here many times, but we tend to go to Tarwanloa.
That was our favourite.
Yeah, it's just a little bit more
Well, now
relaxed.
Venus Bay with that pizza
Well,
last night.
Yeah,
Bloody
But-
immaculate.
in terms of pubs, this is what you've got, the Fish
Yeah.
Creek Hotel. It's got the fish at the top of the hotel up there.
Yeah.
But this is where we're going, Long John Pickles.
Is it open? I think you can go past the smashed up over.
I know. Oh, look how pretty that is, darling. Some nice flowers for you for your Sunday morning.
Very, very manly.
Look at that. Waffles with ice cream. And very comfortable. It is.
It's good. Nice in the mouth, doesn't it?
Okay, after a beautiful breakfast, we have come down to the Fish Creek Community Garden, which you'll see just behind me. Down this area, there's a lot of these community gardens. There's one in Minion, one in Fish Creek, and I believe there's one in Foster as well. And they're all along the rail trail. So it makes the rail trail just a little bit more interesting and the town a little bit more quirky. So I'll ask the
Hello! How's the serenity?
I'll ask the mister if he knows what type of plants there and herbs and...
Oh, no, that's a teapot.
So I think they've seen better days.
Right, so what have we got here? These, I believe, are strawberries.
You could be right though.
I think I'm right on the money. We've got the Plantar fasciitis flower. More strawberries.
More strawberries.
This
Now,
looks like a medicinal purpose tree
Oh.
that they smoke down here sometimes.
I know what this is.
Bit of rhubarb. Be very careful with your dogs around this stuff.
Yeah, the leaves are toxic for dogs.
I think when we got Molly, she chewed some of this at the farm and she was so unwell, she was like limp.
Yeah.
We thought, oh my God, is she going to be alright? But
Took her straight to the vet.
she got through.
I think she needs a little bit of work, the old garden.
Yeah. But it's cool. I mean, Minion has one as well. And you just come down and grab what you want.
Yeah, so you can come down and work on it or come down and grab what you need. I think that's a bit of silver beet over there. And then
Some mint.
mint.
That's mint, yeah. Is it? No,
No?
it's not mint. This looks like a nectarine tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got a few of those at the farm.
So this is the old station when the train line used to come through here. Many, many, many years ago. Well, how many years are we talking? When did it close?
Started in 1892 and finished in 2010, see?
No.
Is it?
Last freight service 1992, track dismantled in 1994, the Great Southern Rail Trail was developed.
It is such a shame that, the train doesn't come down here anymore, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because the only way of transport is V-Line, the bus.
Yeah. You haven't done that yet, have you, Dale?
No, I don't plan to. I've got a 300. That's what I love about country areas. Everyone's welcome. We meet in the garden every fortnight on a Wednesday.
There you go.
Be a good thing for King Billy to come down.
Yeah, this one looks a little bit more maintained. Oh, that's your lettuce.
Yeah.
It's your different types of lettuce. More lettuce
More
and
rhubarb.
bloody massive rhubarb. Yeah, then. And then these things here, this looks like spring
That's
onion.
Spring onion.
Spring onion?
Pretty big spring onion. They've let them go.
What's
Yeah,
behind?
cool. And they've got the composting. More garden. And these all come out. It's such a good idea.
Yeah.
That'd be nice at the farm, Dale.
And good use of the water tanks. That's spring onion. More lettuce. The old platform.
Yeah. Can't work out where you tap on and tap off.
And I'm sure there's got to be somewhere that you give a donation. Do you not? Ugh.
That's where the tiger snakes hang out.
Yeah, probably won't lift that up. Oh. Okay.
That's composting 101. There's a little composting toilet up there too.
Okay. And this is the rail trail.
Yeah, it's nice to be back home. Especially when the weather's like this. It's such a beautiful area.